Coach XP, Neve here, and today I'm going to be showing you a netball workout you can do at home. So drill 1, you're going to need a wall, but you can also use a partner if you don't have one. You're going to do a shoulder pass against the wall with one hand, catching with 2. You're going to do that on your right hand and your left hand. You're going to do 50 of them. After you've done those 50, you're going to do another shoulder pass against the wall, but catching with one hand this time. You're going to do the same on the left, and you're going to do 50 of them too. So that will probably take you about 10-15 minutes. So for this drill, all you're going to need is a ladder. If you don't have a ladder, you can always use sticks and twigs to create your steps. So for this one, you're going to do 2 feet in each box, and you're going to bounce the ball with your right hand. You're going to do about 10 to 20 of them, and then you're going to switch over. You're going to do the exact same, but with your left hand bouncing that one, 2 feet in each again. This should take 10 to 15 minutes too.
This is drill 3, so you're going to run across to the fence cone, side step low, run backwards, side step again, shoulder pass to the crazy catcher. If you don't have one, you can just use a person. You'll bounce back, get the ball, and have a shot. This drill should take about 10 minutes and be high intensity.
Hope you guys enjoyed your first netball workout.